This is the brief on mastering protons and neutrons for your chemistry exam. We're breaking down essential whiteboard study hacks today so you can quickly decode the periodic table and ace your next test. First, finding your protons is super easy using the atomic number. It's that little whole number right on the table, meaning hydrogen is 1, carbon is 6, and sodium is 11. It's literally just atomic number equals protons. Think of this tip as an element's unchangeable ID badge, because changing the protons literally creates a completely different element. Okay, so we've got the protons sorted, but how do we figure out the rest of the nucleus? Second, calculate your neutrons using a really simple subtraction trick. Since atomic mass is roughly protons plus neutrons, neutrons just equal the mass number minus the atomic number. Take the isotope carbon-14, for example. A mass number of 14 minus 6 protons leaves exactly 8 neutrons. But wait a sec, if mass is just protons plus neutrons, why on earth does carbon say 12.01 on the table instead of a clean whole number? Finally, let's demystify that weird decimal. It's all about isotopes. That 12.01 is actually a weighted average. Most carbon is carbon-12, making up about 98.9% with a mass of 12 AMU, meaning 6 protons and 6 neutrons. A tiny 1.1% is carbon-13, with a mass of 13 AMU. It's kind of like calculating your final class grade based on differently weighted assignments. By memorizing these 3 simple rules, matching the atomic number, subtracting for neutrons, and remembering averages, the periodic table transforms into an incredibly simple cheat sheet.